है ना, can be done for many deities. We can take it as a rule that Deepdanam is good to get away with enemies. What is the best remedy for enemies? To win over enemies, what is the best remedy? I told you it. I told this in a previous class also. Anyone remember? Come on. I told it in a class, free class, that is uploaded by now, I think. In the Tithi relationship class itself, I told, right? If I remember.
चिड़ियों के लिए पानी रखना चाहिए,
वो आदित्य हृदय स्तोत्र करने के लिए, है ना?
कार्तिकेय पशुपालन,
आदित्य हृदय स्तोत्र, आपका उत्तर ठीक.
हाँ जी, आदित्य हृदय सूत्र,
आदित्य हृदय स्तोत्र, डूइंग आदित्य हृदय
रावण को मारने जा रहे थे,
रावण को मारने जा रहे थे, तो आदित्य हृदय का पाठ किया. फिर आदित्य जिसके शत्रु हो वो तो जीवित रह ही नहीं सकता ना. There can be no enemy for sun. If only he stops coming to the sky, many people will die. So, the best remedy is that. But you always don't get away with the best remedy. You need a fierce remedy. Like, I want to thrash my enemy. Come on. People think that Shubham Alok is angry, frustrated. No, until and unless I start doing something for you, I am not. Jokes apart. The Aditya Hridaya Stotram is to win over the enemy. I don't want his bad. I just want to win. Simple it is that. I will give you even a better remedy at the end. Not better. I will give you one more remedy to win. Aditya Hridaya is just to win over the enemy. Litigation is there, fight is there, Aditya Hridaya. You will win. But what if you want to thrash your enemy? I want to kill my enemy. I don't want him to live. देखना ही नहीं चाहता मैं उसको. I don't want him to even stand in front of me. मैं चाहता हूँ उसका बिजनेस बर्बाद हो जाए. I want that. The full destruction mode now. मैं तुझे बताऊंगा. You will see. दिल्ली का कहावत है, देख लूंगा तेरे को. I want to thrash man. I want to kill it. That enemy should be like, he should be getting bad dreams every day regarding me. Oh my God, I did a very bad thing. Deepdanam. If you want prosperity, money, see, Deepdanam can be used for different things. Different object in the, different type of fuel in the Deepa gives different things. Lakshmi lives in ghee, clarified butter. So lighting a diya of ghee is for getting money, Lakshmi, blessings. A lamp of oil will be to kill the enemy. Different type of oil, different type of killing. Or say different type of oil, different type of enemy. The oil of til को क्या कहते हैं मुझे पता नहीं अंग्रेजी में. The oil of til will be to kill the Kshatriya enemy.
सीसी में.
oil, क्या कहते हैं तिल को?
सीसी में.
सॉरी?
सीसी में. सीसी में. सीसी में
वो तो सरसों को क्या कहते हैं?
मस्टर्ड.
अच्छा. ओ अंग्रेजी थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो जाता है मेरा. So mustard oil for Shudra enemy, sesame oil for Kshatriya enemy, and depending on the enemy you can change the oil altogether. There are different type of oils. If I want to kill a learned enemy, I can also use coconut oil, but coconut oil is generally not used. But special considerations are always there. Different things can be burnt. If I mix oil with something, then there can be altogether different thing. If I mix the sesame oil with some amount of kapoor or chandan, it will be altogether different mixture. Deepdanam done with oil is a remedy which will thrash the enemy. The enemy will not stand. Right? There are few people in the class whom I have given Deepdanam remedy, right? Remedy for Pithrus. Deepdanam.
Sir, will it not backfire?
There is a shloka in Sanskrit, I don't remember the complete shloka. Devata mantra deenam to brahmanam. Devata mantra ke adheen hai, mantra brahman ke adheen hai. Kuch backfire nahi hota. But you should know the right mantra. See, it backfires, of course it backfires, right? And doesn't matter whatever we say mantra deenam to devata, whatever, it backfires. Yes, it backfires, but there is something na. What is my intention? What is my desire? It is a big play. If I am killing someone for the welfare of the society at large, a different scenario. If I am only killing him for my own interest, and it is other thing. Yes, it backfires. The competent one knows how to get away with the backfire also. Why do we do asana bandhan? When we sit for a mantra, I know 80% of your people don't know about asana bandhan. 20% will know about asana bandhan. When we sit for a mantra, it is recommended to do asana bandhan. Why? If my enemy is doing something against me and he wants me to not complete the puja, I will do the asana bandhan first. I will, bandhan को English में I will, क्या कहते हैं उसको? I will बांध दूंगा मैं अपने आसन को. Right.
Secure the periphery.
Secure the periphery. Yes, I will secure the periphery. I will secure the periphery first. So whatever the enemy does will not get away with me. Right. Or if I want to take my enemy away from the puja, if I don't want him to complete the puja, I will do, मैं बाण मारूंगा उसको. Multiple things can be there. The one who is in the mantra, he knows how to do it. That is what a mantrika is actually. But it is all about karma. But still, you know that anyaya happens. That is something we cannot deny. But you doing the anyaya, see, the result is very bad. Tantrics have a pathetic death. Remember that. So of course I am not telling you any way which you can do anything. The complete thing that I told you about Deepdanam, you cannot use it. Deepdanam, for Deepdanam, there should be, first of all, there is an object on which the deep should be kept. That object I have not tell you, first thing. Second, there should be a yantra. Different yantra for different work. Of the same deity, different yantra for different work. I haven't told you that yantra. It will not work without the yantra and without the plate on which you will keep the lamp. Third thing, the mantra. Different type of mantra to be done for different things. I have not told you the mantra either. Only lighting the lamp is not enough. The nakshatra mantras will do no harm. Fourth thing, how you should do the mantra. Mantras can be done in 4 ways. Veerasan, Saivasan, and a few more asanas. I don't want to talk about that. In Veerasan, have you seen Hanuman sitting? How Hanuman sits? One of his knee is on the ground and another knee is in the, yeah, right, I will show you. Just a second. Yes, you have seen this, or this one, this other image. This image rather. What is this? It is Veerasan. When you should do the mantra in Veerasan? When you should do the mantra in Padmasana? When you should do the mantra standing? In Deepdanam, there is a procedure to do a mantra while standing on 1 feet. When you should do that. So there are 4 essential components that I am not telling you. What is the base in which you will keep the lamp? The yantra, the mantra, the posture. And the fifth and the most important thing, the diameter of the diameter of the
Asan.
no, diameter of the lamp. Diameter of the lamp. Different diameter for different things. And what is the proportion? 1:2:1 or 1:3:1 or 2:3:4. What is the diameter? What is the dimension? So there are multiple things that I am not telling you, right? And why I am telling you that I haven't told you multiple things? For a simple reason that you don't write. Just for entertainment purpose. Information purpose. Yes, Vasudevji. Yes, Vasudevji. Kartavirya Arjuna mantra is also chanted to get back lost article. There is one mantra from one Upanishad, which is the best mantra to get back someone which is lost. To find lost people or lost objects, that is also there, but I am not going to reveal that, of course, because my guru haven't revealed it to me yet. He just told me that whenever you will come next time, I will teach you this mantra. He haven't taught me that. My guru is very strict. I have to go to him, sit with him, do the 1 lakh chanting of the mantra, then he will give me rest. For that complete duration till I complete the 1 lakh mantra, I have to sit on ground, follow complete brahmacharya, multiple things are there. So this is the reason behind my deteriorated health, by the way. Because he lives in a certainly not a good home. The complete home is made up of mitti. So मिट्टी की फर्श पे सोना तो कभी कान में खजूरा घुसा नहीं है आपके. जिस दिन घुसेगा उस दिन आपको पता चलेगा. अलग ही आनंद है. दीपदानम. But Deepdanam, I am not telling you the complete process. To win over an enemy, that is the Aditya Hridayam. What if you just want to win over a debate? Or you want to win on a certain place? This remedy I am taking from Ramakrishna Vachanamrita. In Ramakrishna Vachanamrita, there is a story that some person, I forgot the name, his name was something meaning white, Gaur, something like that. He once came to debate with Ramakrishna. And before the starting of the debate, he was sprinkling water around the place, chanting a special mantra. That was Niralambo Lambodar Janani Kamayami Shatana. This mantra is from Aparada Ksamapan Stutva Sankaracharya. So if you want to win on a certain place, this remedy can be done. The complete mantra, complete Ksamapan Strot, while chanting the complete Ksamapan Strot, you have to sprinkle the water used for giving to the deity or used for Abhishekam to Shivalinga, to sprinkle it in the place while chanting the Durga Ksamapan Strot. But for that, you have to remember the complete Durga Ksamapan Strot first. And before you do anything with Durga Saptashati, remember to completely remember or memorize Durga Saptashloki. Because if any problem happens, Saptashloki is the armor, or Saptashati is the Saptashloki is the shield. Otherwise, anything bad will happen, you will not be able to control it. Suppose you are sprinkling the water to defeat someone, and someone is himself a accomplished tantric, so he will come to the place and आपके पे पसीने छुड़ा देगा वो वहीं. And if you don't know the mantra, you will go. My father told him a story. I will tell it in Hindi the way he told me. There is a temple nearby. I am drinking tea, no more talk on mantra. The last story, and then we will jump to the next topic. So my father told me that my father's a grandfather, my father's grandfather's father learned, got siddhi from some Shakti Pit in Varanasi. In Varanasi, there is only one Shakti Pit. There are two Shakti Pits. One is a pond that is also considered a Shakti Pit, and there is another Shakti Pit also. I am not taking name of any of them. And then is a temple on the other side of our village. Our Channan River is there. Channan River segregates our village and the another village. In the another village, there is a Devi temple. That Devi temple is highly accomplished. That Devi temple is highly accomplished. It is just second to the Devi temple in the place where I was born. In Bihar, generally, children are born in their Nani ka ghar, mother's home, not in father's home. So I was born in my mother's home. That comes in Munger. In Munger, there is a Devi temple. That is very reputed one. But that is not strict Munger. I was born in a place called Tarapur. That is close to Sultanganj or Bhagalpur, as you know it, right? The Kavadiya thing is there. They take water from Sultanganj and take it to the Deoghar where the Baidyanath is there. So I was born in the Tarapur. In Tarapur, there is a Devi temple. I will not take the name. Okay. That Devi temple gets the highest Pashu Bali. Highest. Like if you go there on Ashtami Navami day, you will not be able to stand. Highest Pashu Bali. I think I'm in all of the Bihar. The place on the other side of the Channan in my paternal village is the second to that. Gets the highest Bali. Remember one thing. If you are a Tantrik and you are vegetarian and there is another Tantrik who is a non-vegetarian, then he will thrash you. Thrash you because you have more tamas. You have more sattva, so you will be better protect yourself. But in thrashing and killing, he is better. I chose to remain vegetarian because we are not here to destroy anyone, by the way. We are just here to save, support, protect. I will talk something about my guru from Odisha also. Mantra Guru. What he told me right now, the father's thing. The father told me that his father, my grandfather, my grandfather's father, sorry, my grandfather's father, my father's grandfather, the second generation, they went to that temple and there was, see, we are not Brahmins, right? So there were Brahmins there. They were debating for something. देवी को डाला चढ़ रहा है, डाला इस देर, और डाला कौन चढ़ाएगा इसको लेके पंडितों में बहस रहती है, कौन डाला चढ़ाएगा? Who will give the dala to Devi? There was a fierce debate. Who will give? Who will give? Who will give? And then there was something which was done. If this thing is there, whoever will be able to do this, dala वही चढ़ाएगा करके. So the 4-5 top tantrikas decided that we will talk to Devi himself. It is what my father told me, approved by grandfather. I cannot vouch for the accuracy. I am nowhere in the line, please. My father is a pure non-vegetarian. I am a pure vegetarian. He thinks like pashu to khane ke liye hota hai, and I think that they also have life. Altogether different, right? So he told that the other tantric, all those who were just telling my grandfather's father not to do, not to do, not to do. When they talked with Devi, there is a certain process in which you can talk to the Devi. Devi told that give this thing to him. But they thought that it was illusion. So there was a thing that whoever can take this dala up, they will take the dala. And all the 5 people were not able to put the dala up. My grandfather's father took it and did it. So prowess, power. The tantrika's power, the mantrika's power is important. How much power is there? But we are in no competition. I don't know why I'm teaching about the mantras. Do you think I should not do? I should not teach because it have no practical uses. I'm not giving you any mantra, any way, anything. You just get information. Only the information you get. You get nothing. You cannot use it. If you try using it, it will be fruitless because I'm not telling you the complete procedure. Do you think I should stop doing all this thing and wasting your precious time that I have wasted for some an hour now? If you think I should stop doing it, just send me a message, comment in the video, and we'll stop it. Huh? We'll only deal with only Jyotish.
Continue, please.
Many things.
Continue.
Many things. So, you know, this thing is always there. Protection. Protection is the first thing. The prowess of the tantrika. How powerful he is. But the most important is your motive. Why you want to do it? Are you doing it to save someone? Are you doing it to save something? Yeah, ma'am, anyone can do mantra. It is up to the guru to decide which mantra he can do. Nama mantra and Prachalita mantra, anyone can do. Nam mantra like Ram Ram, Prachalita mantra, Panchakshari, Shadakshari, Astakshari, anyone can do. Vishnu Dwadasakshari, anyone can do. Regarding special things, Guru decides what you should do and what you should not do. I will tell you a story about my Guru from Odisha. I will come to the questions. So I have seen there are many mantras. There are many questions. I will come to that. I will. Regarding the eligibility, I will tell you. Recently, when I was with my father, I told him, कि देखिए पिताजी, I call him पिताजी, okay? I either don't call him by any name, or I call him पिताजी. देखिए पिताजी, or I will just call कि सुनिए and anything like that. Why there is a need of a name when you want to talk to your father or your mother or your brother? And you say, I am very simple. If there are 19 people in the class, who I am talking to, you already know, right? So I told him कि पिताजी, जिंदगी में तो दो ही चीज जरूरी, शांति और धन. भाई लक्ष्मी चालीसा में लिखा है ना, जिसके पास तुम होती हो उसको मन नहीं घबराता. तुम में यज्ञ न होवे, मन नहीं घबराता भाई. So I told him that money is very important. पैसा है तो मन नहीं घबराता. Shanti is there. So Shanti and Dhan is important. So give me something for money. He said, why do you want money? You are a brahmachari. Brahmachari means in the brahmacharya school. Of course, I am not a brahmachari, by the way. But still. So he's like, you are in brahmacharya. Why you need dhan? If you get married, then I will think. I'm like, यार पैसे नहीं आएंगे तो औरत कहाँ से मिलेगी? भाई if you say anyone I love you, वो पूछती है बैंक बैलेंस दिखाओ भाई. तुम फकीरों के धंधे में बैठे हो. ज्योतिष is like people think कि मैं तोता लेके बैठता हूँ कहीं चांदनी चौक में क्या? ऐसा तो है नहीं. लेकिन समझाना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है ना. People want to marry rich people, who will marry an astrologer. That is what I was telling him. He was like, okay, I will give you one mantra. Using that mantra, you can give money to someone for a certain time period. Suppose I chant this mantra 108 times, keeping you in my mind. And in the end, using some other mantra, I tell that give him money for 1 month. For 1 month, you will be having a lot of money. There is a mantra like that, our traditional mantra, of course. This is what my grandfather's father took from. Sorry, grandfather's father's father took from there. Sorry, grandfather's father of ये ग्रैंडफादर में मैं बड़ा अंग्रेजी में बड़ा कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ मैं. Learn from that. It is coming in the parampara. Grandfather's father, grandfather, my father, me. 4 generations of mantra and 6 generations of astrology. There. So, I have the complete analogy written somewhere in the copy. And most probably when I will update my bio, I will write the name of all the people. Also, if possible, photos also. So, he said, I will give you that mantra. So, I am very much interested in the Hindi language, Hindi as a language. So, I told him, he हाथ कंगन को आरसी गया और पढ़े लिखे को फारसी गया, दे दो भाई. लेने के मामले में तो हम तो ज्योतिष लोग हैं, लेने के मामले एकदम आगे, कुछ भी दे दो ले लेंगे. It's like no. मैंने कहा भाई why? He said because it is to be done in this certain time only. Siddhi can be taken in this certain time only. I'm like okay. That certain time is coming, Holi coming. I was there on March. 1st March I was talking this, and 10th March was Holi this year now. 10th March or 9th March, I'm not very sure, but the first half of March. होली दिवाली हम तो खेलते नहीं है, होली का दिन मेरा सोने का दिन होता है. मैंने कहा सो जाओ आज, कोई काम धाम नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे को त्योहार मनाने में मजा नहीं आता. त्योहार का मजा तो तब होता है जब आप सब लोग साथ में होते तो ज्योतिष की चर्चा होती, त्योहार होता. अदरवाइज क्या उन लोगों के साथ त्योहार मनाना जिनको ज्योतिष समझ नहीं आती है, उनको मजा नहीं आता. वो हुड़दंग ना. आई लाइक इंटेलेक्चुअल पीपल. आई डोंट लाइक दोस्त भी चलना उस पर रंग मार के आते हैं, क्या पागल है क्या रंग मार के आते हैं. आपस में मौज करो ना, मैं दूसरे को खिलसा के मौज क्या करना, दूसरे को दुख पहुंचा के मौज मुझे नहीं पसंद. आई एम स्टिल अगेंस्ट इट. So I told him the Holi is coming then. 8-9 days are remaining. I will remain here. Like I will tell mother and brother to go. I will remain. I keep on traveling over the world, over the India, so that is fine. He said no. Before I give you that mantra, you chant this mantra for 1 crore times, and it is a big mantra of 26 letters. He said chant it for 1 crore times. I'm like okay. तो 1 करोड़ पूरा करते करते मेरे को लगता है कितना समय लगेगा. So even to his son, he is saying that even to his son he wants a certain criteria to be fulfilled, and he told me that I have to leave a few things. Let's see if having the mantra is important than leaving the thing. But sir, no one gives you mantra until they believe you. Is it actually works if someone do it properly? First of all, ma'am, yes, no one gives you mantra until they believe you. Yes, that is very important. No one gives you anything until they believe you. गाड़ी लेने जाते हैं तो बैंक बोलता है ना भाई ITR दिखाओ, दे पाओगे लोन का पैसा कि नहीं दे पाओगे, तो that is to there, है ना. Nowadays people don't give mantra because they don't know. Those who know will give, keeping the conditions in mind. If conditions are met, they will be happy to give. Yet, yes, it actually works if someone does it properly. But first of all, if the mantra you get from Guru, then it is very, very good. If you don't get the mantra from Guru, then it is okay. You can still do it. Result will come there, but that should be a general mantra also, not a mantra which needs initiation from a guru. For an example, Panchakshari doesn't need an initiation that much. You can do Panchakshari, that is okay, that is fine. Normal remedy, शिवलिंग पे जल डाल देना, संकष्ट नाशन गणपति स्तोत्र पढ़ लेना. These are the common remedies for us. I think no confusion, है ना, clear होके करें. For Nam mantra, Manjula ma'am, no strict procedure is not there. Just you have to do the mantra for a fixed number of time in a fixed time continuously. So if I have to do Ram Nam for say 108 times, 208 times or 1008 times, Ram 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 Ram, तो 1008 बार भी बोल ही सकते हैं आप. So that count should be maintained, first of all. Second of all, the time should be same. If I am doing it 5 a.m. in 5 a.m. today, then every day it should be 5 a.m. or 1 hour plus minus. Third thing, it should be done continuously, even while traveling, etc. For females, they can leave that menstruation period time. That is for Nama Mantra. Nama Mantras are good. Can be done by anyone. Harmless medicine. Right. It is even better if you write the Nama Mantras. If you chant it by writing the Nama Mantras, it is even better. Write Ram once, Ram twice, Ram thrice. Daily write Ram for 108 times. That's the best. कॉपियां भर जाएंगी ना आपके. स्लेट शुड बी यूज्ड. स्लेट यूज बोलना, व्हाट इज स्लेट? स्लेट पता आपको, बच्चे यूज करते हैं उसको लिखने के लिए. हम लोगों को तो बड़ा इस्तेमाल करवाया. तो वॉट एवर मंत्रा, whenever my father had to clarify me one certain word in mantra that I was not able to understand by pronunciation or some other thing, he used to write it on slate only, never on copy, or never by pen. Copy पे गलती से लिख भी दिया तो पेंसिल से लिखा, कभी पेन से कभी लिखा. Never write a mantra with pen, never. Use pencil, even better slate. Slate is best. Why? No one should see it again other than you. There is one thing. अपनी पत्नी से आप सब कुछ शेयर कर सकते हो, शरीर के कीटाणु भी, मंत्र नहीं कर सकते ना. My father strictly said me, बोला अपनी चमड़ी का रोग दे देना, मंत्र मत देना. No, never.